Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I bring you very important news. There is a vacancy at Delhi Public School with salary as per 7 pay commission. If you're a teacher or looking to join a reputed school, this video is for you. Stay tuned till end for eligibility, how to apply, salary detail. Let's start. So first vacancy is PGT Chemistry. Essential qualification is postgraduate in chemistry and B.Ed. Desirable minimum 3 years of experience, and remember it's just a desirable, even freshers can also apply. Second post is PGT Economics. Essential qualification is postgraduate in economics and B.Ed. Desirable is 3-year experience. Then next PGT Commerce. Essential is postgraduate in commerce and B.Ed and minimum 3 years of experience of teaching accountancy and business studies both. Next one is PGT Mathematics. Qualification required is postgraduate in maths and B.Ed, minimum 3 years of experience. Next one is for TGT post. First one, TGT History. Essential qualification is graduation or post-graduation in history and B.Ed. Desirable is 3 years of teaching history from class 6 to 10. Next one, TGT Bengali. Essential qualification is graduate or postgraduate in Bengali and B.Ed. Minimum 3 years of experience. Next, TGT Hindi. Graduation and post-graduation in Hindi and B.Ed. And lastly, TGT Chemistry. Essential qualification is graduation and post-graduation in chemistry and minimum 3 years of experience teaching chemistry in classes 6 to 10. Remember, preference will be given to the candidate who are CTET and TET qualified. Next one is PRT Lady Teacher Hindi. Qualification graduation or post-graduation in Hindi and B.Ed, minimum 3 years of experience. Then PRT Lady Teacher Sanskrit, PRT Lady Teacher Physical Education, PRT Lady Teacher Special Educator, and preference will be given to CTET and TET qualified if done B.Ed. Next, pre-primary teacher lady 2 post. Essential qualification graduate or postgraduate in any subject with B.Ed, NTT or Montessori trained, minimum 3 years of experience. Counselor, here 1 post. Essential qualification is postgraduate in psychology and B.Ed, minimum 3 years of experience. Then junior accountant, here graduate or postgraduate in commerce, minimum 3 years of experience. Then LDC, graduate or postgraduate tabla player. Essential qualification is graduate with Sangeet in tabla from reputed institute. Then next one is multitasking staff or peon. 4 posts are there. Essential qualification is secondary or higher secondary, minimum 3 years of experience. Next, multitasking Aya female. 3 posts are there, same qualification. Now let us see this vacancy is for which school. So this vacancy is for Delhi Public School NTPC Farakka, which is in West Bengal district Murshidabad. And please note, application apply online only. Application submitted without prescribed fees will not be considered. Application sent to official mail address will not be accepted under any circumstances. Now let us see few more detail or general instruction given by them. First one, only shortlisted candidate will be called for written test or interview. Age for first serial number, which is PGT, should be below 45. Then for second, which is TGT, it should be below 40. Then serial number 3, which is PRT, it should be below 35. Next, those who are working in other DPS, they should have NOC from their employer along with application. And all the candidates are required to give valid email ID because shortlisted candidate will be informed through email only. Candidates are required to upload following document with application form, like single PDF of mark sheet of 10th, 12th, final year of graduation, post graduation, B.Ed, CTET, etc. then PDF of experience certificate, PDF of recent salary slip. And those who don't submit PDF of any of this, they will be rejected. No reminder will be sent. Now let us talk about the salary. Salary will be as per pay commission, which includes CPF, gratuity at government rate, free medical facility. Means PGT will be getting salary around 70,000 plus, TGT will be getting salary around 60,000 plus, and PRT will be getting salary more than 50,000 with unfurnished accommodation at NTPC, subject to availability at nominal rate. Now let us see from where you can download the application form. So this is the website dpsfarakka.com/career.html, and last date to apply is 28 January 2026, and you need to pay the application fees of 500 rupees. You can scan this QR code, or this is the payment UPI ID also. So you need to pay in this UPI number for this application fees. So this is the official website dpsfarakka.com/career.html. Here it is written staff recruitment 2026. Last date is 28 January 2026. Here is the advertisement and instruction, and here you can download the application form. And this is the online application form or Google form through which you need to apply. So now let's click on online application form. So once you click on it, you will get this application form which says that Delhi Public School NTPC Farakka online application form, staff recruitment 2026. This application started on 21st January and last date is 28 January 2020. Now first you need to fill your email ID here. Then you need to check this. Yes, have you carefully reviewed and understood the detail? Click yes and press on next button. In the second part, you are going to get this application form which is 500 rupees per post. So either you can scan this QR code or UPI ID is also given, which I have already mentioned. Once you do the payment, you need to enter the fees detail like transaction ID, name of pay, mode of payment and date of payment. Then click on next button. In the third part, it is application form and document check. So you need to upload all this document in this particular sequence only. Like first it should be your application form, second class 10 mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, graduation, post graduation, professional or teacher qualification, CTET, experience, current salary and payment details. So you need to take the snapshot of your payment and you need to upload, and make sure the size should not be more than 3 MB. Then click on yes button, upload your file and click on next button. In the next part, you need to enter a few more detail like your teacher ID. Teacher ID you need to collect from your CBSE, means your OSS ID, which you can easily get from your school. If you don't have, you can just write N/A. Then year of experience, your date of birth and for which post you are applying, select the subject, maximum age limit, fluency in English and then computer literacy. In the next part, you need to enter your personal detail like your name, your mother's name, father's name, permanent address, residential address, mobile number 1, mobile number 2. In sixth part, you need to enter your highest qualification, then your main subject, your year of passing and passing percentage. Then in seventh part, you need to enter your professional qualification, like you need to enter which you have done, B.Ed with special education, CTET and other qualification if you have, and then click on next button. In last part, you need to have one declaration. I am applying, submitting Google form first time for the said post. I am applying second time for this. Then I have declared our information is true to best of my knowledge. Then click on submit button. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, hype and subscribe to MJ Manjari and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. See you in the next video. All the best for your application.